How to use IBIS Paint X brushes QR codes. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you'll learn how to easily import and use custom brush QR codes in IBIS Paint X. These codes let you unlock amazing brushes made by other artists, and I will show you exactly how to add them to your app. Step 1. Open IBIS Paint X. First, open the IBIS Paint X app on your phone or tablet. Make sure it's updated to the latest version so everything works smoothly. Step 2. Open a drawing or create a new one. Tap on My Gallery and then choose a drawing, or create a new canvas if you prefer. This will take you into the drawing screen where we will import the brush. Step 3. Open the brush panel. Now, tap the brush icon at the bottom of the screen. This opens the list of all available brushes. Step 4. Add a new brush. Tap the plus icon, that's the button to create a new brush. You will now see the option to import using a QR code. Step 5. Import the QR code. Tap on Import QR code. You can now either scan a QR code using your camera or load one from your gallery. Just tap Load from Photo Library. Step 6. Confirm and save. Once the brush settings appear, tap the check mark to confirm. That's it. The brush is now saved to your brush list and ready to use. And that's it. That was a tutorial on how to use QR codes for custom brushes or in IBIS Paint X. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.